Hello and welcome back to the ITAM Academy. My name is David Foxon and I'm an IT Asset Management Trainer here, and today we're going to be doing a 2-minute ITAM tip to give you some useful ITAM information. In this session we're going to be discussing stakeholder engagement and how important that is when implementing IT Asset Management. So initially when implementing ITAM, your key stakeholders are going to be service management, end user computing teams, data center, procurement, legal, networks, finance, and even the business heads. Talk to them. What are their ITAM related challenges? Think about how IT asset management can help them overcome said challenges, improve their day-to-day processes and ways of working. You could even make suggestions on how ITAM can help optimize their part of the business straight out of the gate. Make it relatable to each key stakeholder. Do not bamboozle them with ITAM acronyms and ITAM language. They may simply not understand it. Keep it relatable, keep it simple. Finally, tell them about the grand, awesome plans you have for ITAM and how it's going to help the business. Make them feel as though they have an important part to play on your journey and that they are massively involved. This will help motivate them, keep them interested, and keep them excited and wanting to help you. So focus on their key pain points. Focus on what their strategy is and how ITAM can help achieve that. Making it personable, but also make them really excited to join you on the ITAM journey. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for more 2-minute ITAM tips from the ITAM Academy.